According to Greek mythology, there was this king named Midas. Midas was given the ability to turn anything he touched into gold as a reward for saving a friend of Dionysus, an ancient Greek god of wine and revelry. Midas was very thankful for this gift at first. He enjoyed amassing his wealth effortlessly, but soon figured out that there were problems that came with this gift. No more could he eat his favorite sweet grapes without them turning into gold, or enjoy his mistress's even sweeter charms without the risk of turning her into a golden statue. The lesson: a blessing can easily become a curse, just like a curse can turn out to be a blessing. I've seen this happening countless times. A person lands a high-paying job or starts a highly profitable business. Unfortunately, it doesn't end well, and they simply do not know how to manage the money. Eventually, they end up broken and depressed, having gotten accustomed to a high standard of living which they can no longer sustain. All those nice cars, fancy holidays, designer clothes become just a wistful memory. Having personal financial skills can help you in countless ways. Any serious person should know at least the basics of how to manage their finances and how to create passive income streams to diversify the risk while making sure that their family's situation isn't ruined if they lose their job or their business runs into trouble. In this video, I share 4 simple steps to give you the power to manage and grow your finances to improve and secure your life. Stick to the end of the video because you need to take all the 4 steps to get the full benefit. Hello and welcome to Financial Freedom Kenya. I am Manyara Kirago and have been a personal financial professional for the last 2 decades. If you need help to ensure you get the best outcome with your finances, I am available for your support. Please check out my do-it-yourself online course, one-on-one financial freedom coaching, and Eternity Real Estate program from the links in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share it with anybody you think may benefit from it. Also, ring the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. With that said, let's jump into the video. I work with many highly intelligent and educated professionals, CEOs, marketers, software engineers, lawyers, managers, and even people working in finance. I've met countless clients who are absolutely convinced they know everything there is to know about money because of their degrees or because they work in a bank or deal with finances in their work. They soon realize just how wrong they were after their initial skepticism. They are amazed to see how, with just a few tweaks, their financial achievements grow and their stress levels drop significantly. Very different rules apply to personal finance. School simply does not teach how to, for example, tell a scam apart from a golden investment opportunity, how to get out of debt, how to set up multiple passive income streams as a safety net against job loss. Most people say they want financial freedom, a nicer home, another car, to travel more, to be able to decide what to do with their time. We see a wealthy person's properties and comment, "I want that too." But few think about all the years of hard work and sacrifice put in to acquire that property. What are you willing to pay for your financial freedom? What are you willing to do in order to have the things that you've always wanted in your life? And also, what price are you going to pay if you don't do what it takes? People who have little can feel the pain of their circumstances and are more likely to do something to make a change in their lives. This is because we all naturally move towards pleasure and away from pain. Their challenge is, of course, that they have to learn a whole new way of doing things. Those who have a lot and still strive to reach higher goals usually have some of the success principles already working in their lives, and what they need are new strategies and paradigms. So, where do you fit in? Are you struggling to make ends meet? Are you settled down with a mortgage and other kinds of debt? Or are you somewhere in the middle, where some have just enough to keep moving on the hamster wheel of life each day? I say it every day in my financial coaching practice. 9 out of 10 people tell me that they are 100% committed to doing what it takes to succeed. They tell me that they are 100% committed to doing what it takes to succeed. You know what? All, maybe except 1 or 2 of these 9 people are simply talking, and they're not ready to actually roll up their sleeves and scrape their knuckles getting the work done. I'm telling you this, you have to choose financial freedom and then be willing to do what it takes to make it happen. You cannot hope for it. You cannot wish it into existence, and you cannot gain it from outside yourself. We don't all have to be Elon Musk or Bill Gates, but take the wisdom from their achievements and make it your own. So if you truly want to transform your life, then take the following steps. Number 1, clarify your direction. You cannot go in all directions at the same time. You must be clear in exactly what you want to achieve and then focus on it. It is really important to have a deep motivation for your chosen field, and making money is not sufficient reason. For example, I dedicate my life and energy to helping people improve their personal financial management so that they can live a better life. I'm passionate about my work, and my biggest reward is when I hear success stories from my students and coaching clients. The money is just a bonus. Number 2, upgrade your skills. In order to succeed, you have to be the best in what you do. And for this, there is no shortcut. You must dedicate your time and energy to improving your skills through reading, watching videos, attending trainings, and exposing yourself to the highest possible quality information in your field. Number 3, optimize your environment. Where you work, the tools you use in your work, with whom you work, where you live, the support you get from people who are significant in your life, who are your friends, where you socialize, the state of your health and physical fitness. All this and more have an impact on the quality of your output and therefore the success level you're capable of attaining. Number 4, master your psychology. Take the top athletes in any sport, and it will be difficult to discern any difference in their physical capabilities. Yet, in competition, only one will emerge the winner. The difference is in the mental status, their belief in themselves, their ability to bring all the physical resources to bear when it counts, and also their ability to defeat procrastination. Master your inner game, and your efforts will bear fruit. Take a small step every day and set your personal development goals in these areas. Remember, wishful thinking will get you nowhere. You must commit yourself to taking action and do it consistently. Even if it takes you 20 years, giving up is not an option. Get up 30 minutes earlier each day to work on your vision or work out your body. Cut down on those mind-numbing Facebook sessions and TV shows and get working on your future. Reduce those drinking nights out and the accompanying hangover the next day, and you will have more money and a clearer mind for your venture. Remember, even if you are 40, 50, or even 70 years old, it's never too late. Choose it, commit to it, make it happen. Like Napoleon Hill said, think and grow rich. You can get the Midas touch without the drama. Finally, if you want to learn more about building wealth in whatever season of life you are, while avoiding common pitfalls, then what you need to do is watch my free training, How to Grow Your Wealth and Attain Financial Freedom. Click the link in the description below and you will get immediate access to the training video. Click the link below and watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon for more. Thank you for watching.